Hey guys, welcome to You Cook So Gay. I'm Darius.
And I'm John. And today we're going to show you how we make a riceless fried rice using quinoa. So here I've already prepared chopped up onion, celery, ginger, mushrooms, and carrots. This is the egg for the fried egg. And then we're going to season it with a little bit of fish sauce, some seasoning, and just a little bit of soy sauce. And then in this bag we have 2 chicken breasts that have been marinating all day in Italian dressing, but I added a little bit of more seasoning to it so it will be a little bit more flavorful, and some raw garlic. So we're going to throw that on the grill. This will be like probably about 8 to 10 minutes each side. We're not going to flip it a whole lot, and then we're going to show you how we put the fried rice together. Be back soon.
Alright, so we're going to add the chicken to our grill. Nice yummy chicken.
These are some thicker breasts, so we're going to check them in about 8 minutes. So we'll see you in 8 minutes. Okay, so we're going to first start by scrambling an egg. We're using butter today because I ran out of sesame seed oil, which we would normally use since we're making fried quinoa. So we're going to fry this egg up and then remove it, and then re-add it later. Real good, so you don't have big giant bits of eggs in your quinoa. Then we're going to scoop it out, put it in the bowl. Slippery. And then I'm going to add a little more butter to the pan, and then we're going to saute all of our vegetables. You can also add peas to it when you're done making it, but I like to cook the vegetables down so they're all nice and soft. And we like it's probably a pretty even ratio of vegetables to quinoa. So this is pretty simple. You just saute this down till it's translucent and fairly soft. And then you're going to add your quinoa to it. Stir it all up, cook it for a hot second. And then when that's all done, we're going to season it with the soy sauce and fish sauce. And we go to the Asian market, and we've been actually kind of getting good at getting around there and figuring stuff out. So we have a seasoning sauce, a fish sauce, which we just use a teeny bit of that because it really is powerful, and then soy sauce. You can use low sodium. You have I like full flavored. But anyway, so we will see you back in a few minutes.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how we make our salad. We usually make a big salad early in the week, which lasts us about 5 days, give or take. We use it for lunch and dinner, but I'm going to show you what we add in our salad for tonight. We have blue cheese, we have walnuts and cran raisins, and a hard-boiled egg. And we'll mix all that in as I add all of our salad. So I'm going to just take 2 scoops because it's for two, dinner for 2. And we want to save it for the rest of the week. Okay. And in the salad here, we have romaine lettuce, we have red pepper, cucumbers, and red onion. But you can use anything you like. You can use tomato, you can use anything, doesn't matter. Just going to scoop a little bit here. Little walnuts. Raisins, and then I'm going to cut our hard-boiled egg up, and if you like it whole, that's fine, but we like it cut up because it's a little better just to mix in there. And to top it off, we have our Italian dressing. But again, you can use anything you like. A little shake here. Just add a little bit in. All right. And just stir it up. And there you go. Nice salad for two.
Okay, back to the quinoa. So I've covered it with a lid and put about a tablespoon of water to help it steam and cook it. And we're gonna add our egg to it and our quinoa, and we're gonna season it up. Now, you can see the carrots are really thinly sliced, like julienne. I got this really amazing micro mandolin from Amazon for 20 bucks. Just be careful with your fingers because I've sliced mine many a time. Then we're gonna add our quinoa in. And then we're gonna add our sauces, and about a tablespoon of each. Maybe I'd go with a tablespoon of the fish sauce. I'd be a little careful with that because it is really potent. So I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon of fish sauce in here, sprinkle it around. And then I have this seasoning we bought, and we're gonna put about a bunch of shakes of this in, maybe 2 tablespoons of this. And then last but not least, some soy sauce. And just give it a stir. You want to get all the egg and all the vegetables all distributed nice and evenly. And quinoa is such a nice alternative to rice. It's actually good for you unless you have diverticulitis. So, like, we have our good friend Dave who can't have any kind of seeds because of that, so we have to watch. So we don't usually invite him over when we're having any kind of nuts or quinoa in our dinner. Sounds looking good. It smells really good. So I'm going to continue stirring this up and getting this all together, and then we're going to show you the whole meal plated. So stay tuned. All right, so here you have it all completed. Our salads for two, our quinoa, which we have enough for the rest of the month, and our grilled chicken breast. So hope you enjoy it. If you like it, hit the like button. The recipes will be underneath of this video. And we hope to see you at youcooktoday.com.
And share, and I'm sorry, also follow us on social media, I'm sorry.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.